All right, so let's go ahead and take a look at this lesson. So this lesson is about Spotify and downloading music. So Jenin is getting ready for an upcoming trip and wants to download Spotify playlist so she can listen offline on the plane. Her playlist consists of favorite jams for 440 songs on it. Okay, so she begins downloading at 10:04, and at 10:07, Spotify indicates that she has 305 songs left to download. How many songs were downloaded between that time? So go ahead and pause the video. All right, so the change in the number of songs is equal to 440 minus 305, which is 135 songs. Okay, how long did it take to download this number of songs? Go ahead and pause the video. Okay, so we're back. So the change in time is equal to 10:07 minus 10:04, which is 3 minutes. Okay. So now we're going to do C. How many songs per minute is Jenin's phone downloading from Spotify? So go ahead and pause the video. Okay, so what I wanted is I wanted the rate. So the rate is equal to the change in songs in the number of songs divided by the change in time. So that is 135 songs per 3 minutes, which is equal to 45 songs per minute. All right, so I want you to complete the table next. So go ahead and pause the video. All right, so we're back. So you should have filled in the table. So this should have been a 3. And then 440. So then this should have been 395. And then 125. And then 35. Okay, so Kenny says that to find out how fast Spotify is downloading songs, you can always take the number of songs left to download and divide by how long the playlist has been downloading. Do you agree or disagree? Okay, so go ahead and pause the video. All right, so we're back. So I disagree, actually. So the reason why I disagree, right, is because that would mean 440 divided by 0. And we can't divide by 0. And then 395 divided by 1. And then 305 divided by 2 does not give us a rate of change. So we need to know how many songs were downloaded in a certain time interval. Okay, so Kairos is downloading songs on a playlist. The graph shows the relationship between the number of songs to the left to download, and the time since the start of the download for both Kairos playlist and Jenin's. Okay, so label the line that represents Kairos playlist and the line that represents Jenin's. So go ahead and pause the video for a second. All right, so Jenin's line is the dotted one, and then Kairos line is the solid one. Whose playlist is downloading faster? How do you know? Go ahead and pause the video. Well, now we're back. Jenin's line is steeper, so her is steeper, so she is downloading faster. How many songs per minute are being downloaded onto Kairos' phone? Go ahead and pause the video. All right, so it took 5 minutes to go from 225 down to 85 songs. So 225 minus 85 is 140 songs. So 140 songs in 5 minutes gives us our rate of change, which is 28 songs per minute. Okay. And really what I wanted you guys to get out of this is that slope represents a rate of change. Slope can be positive, negative, 0, or undefined. Slope equals the change in y divided by the change in x. Or we could say the change in the, this would be a physics thing in case you have seen it in physics. Change in the independent variable divided by the change, dependent variable. I apologize. Wrong one. Dependent variable divided by the change in the independent variable. Okay. And the interpretation of slope is change in y for 1 unit of x. All right, and that's it for this lesson.